Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get this video started, if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you find this video useful, please smash that thumbs up button. We got a customer brought us this vehicle here. It's a 1996 Volvo 850 5-cylinder automatic non-turbo. Again, this is a non-turbo model. I believe it's got a check engine light on. They brought it to us. The vehicle won't even start and run, so they had it towed into our shop. We got the port here on the 850 Volvo. It's located on the sedan or the wagon. It's located beside the cigarette lighter port. We're going to take and we got our scan tool. We're going to snap-on scanner. We're going to plug it in and see if this vehicle's got any check engine codes. So we're going to get the scan tool out of the case and get it plugged in. Alright guys, we got the scan tool plugged in here. And now we're running the computer program to see what this vehicle potentially might have stored in the computer. Like I said, they brought us this vehicle and it won't start. They had it towed in. I believe, and it's got no crank. It's got no spark. I believe it's the crank sensor that's bad on this vehicle. Volvos are known for having that problem where they won't get no spark at the ignition coil because the crank sensor isn't registering, so the computer tells the car not to send a spark to the ignition coil, so then the car won't start up. It's weird the way Volvos do that in their programs, but it is what it is. First thing you got to do once you get your scanner plugged in is turn the key on. So all your lights and everything come on the dash like you're going to start the vehicle, but don't start the vehicle. In this case, the vehicle won't start anyway, so it does not matter. Getting the computer linked up here. And it has does say the computer's got a bad cam sensor, which that'll do it, because then you're similar to the crank sensor, the cam sensor, if it's not registering properly, then it'll tell the computer not to start the car. So all right, well, yeah, we just want to see what the problem is on this vehicle's check engine light. Like I said, the customer had it towed in. It's an 850 Volvo. It's a 96 model. Hopefully y'all found this video useful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. Y'all have a great day.